This beef stir-fried or Khmer Lok Lak is very famous in Cambodia. And in today's video, I will show you how easy it is to stir-fry this delicious beef for under 15 minutes. If you are new here, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to press the subscribe button for more delicious homemade recipes. Okay, let's get started. I have sliced the beef and freeze it, and next I'm going to show you how you can easily marinate the beef before we stir fry it. This sliced beef is just under 1 pound, and I took them out from the freezer. I cleaned it. That is why it looked this pale. I put 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce to marinate it, 1 teaspoon of sugar, ½ teaspoon of salt. You can stir a little bit, and after you can put 1 tablespoon of fried garlic. I also put 1 tablespoon of garlic oil in the meat as well to make it more tender. If you don't have the pre-made fried garlic, you could always fine chop the garlic, and after you can fry the garlic first and after put in the meat. I will show you what I mean in a bit. Stir and mix well, and after you can leave the meat on the side for now so the flavor can get into the meat. These are the fresh vegetables that I'm going to use. I'm going to use salad, cucumber, and tomatoes. I already pre-cleaned them. I will use only half of cucumber, but you can always put more. But in the plate that I'm going to show you, I'm only going to use half of the cucumber. You can go straight to thinly slice the cucumber, or you can use a julienne peeler to shred the cucumber first and after thinly slice it. And after you thinly slice the cucumber, you can go ahead and cut up some tomatoes. You can use any kind of tomato, and the size also the same thing. You can use small one or big one, that is up to you. And again, you're going to cut it in half, and after you're going to thinly slice those tomatoes. And that is it for the 2 ingredients that we need to slice and cut. You can use round plate or oval plate to design your vegetable plate. You can lay the salad as the bottom layer. And to get a really nice design, you want to put the leaf facing outward, and just the way that I do it, you can do exactly the same. You can use romaine salad, you can use green leaves or red leaves, that is up to you, but I'm using this one that is from the garden. And the next layer, you can put cucumber just the way that I do it. And after the cucumber, you can put the layers of tomato, but you don't have to put it in the middle. You're going to just make it around like that, so that way you can pour your beef to make it look pretty later. And that's it. We got our vegetable plate, and next I will show you how to make the sauce for the beef. Cut up the lime, and after you're going to squeeze 1 lime into the small bowl. 1 tablespoon of sugar, and only 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. This sauce is super simple to make. We usually make this sauce to eat with any kind of meat, or especially with the beef. Stir and mix well until the sugar dissolves into the sauce. It should have really peppery taste, and at the same time a touch of sweet and a touch of sour. And that is it. We got most of the things done already. Last, we're going to stir fry the beef. Again, I have the pre-made garlic oil, so I'm using the garlic oil. But if you don't have the garlic oil, you can use normal oil, and after put the fresh chopped garlic. Stir fry it first, and after you can put in the meat. Since we are marinate the garlic into the meat already, so we don't need to stir fry the garlic first. We can put it straight and stir fry the beef right away. This step here, it is really splashy because the oil is splashing all over the place. Just warning you, so this way you know what to expect. In Cambodia, they usually cut the beef more chunkier, like a cube, so that way the beef not completely cooked inside when they stir fry it. But for me, I like to thinly slice the beef first, so this way the beef is not chewy and it can fully cooked for my family. And next, I'm going to use the same bowl, and after I'm going to put in half cup of water. We want this beef to be a bit saucy, that is why I'm making it this way. So you're going to put 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce in there as well. Mix it and dissolve it, and after you're going to pour in the sauce. And after you pour in the sauce, and you're going to bring the liquid to boil, and that is it. You got your beef stir fried or cha sa Khmer Lok Lak all done. You can also put some cornstarch to thicken the sauce, but I like it this way so it is easier to eat when there is leftover. And right away, after you stir fry the beef is still hot, you're going to pour it into this vegetable plate that we prepared. But first, you want to poke the hole, so this way when you pour in the beef that has the sauce in there, the sauce will go straight to the bottom of the plate without spilling it. And that is it, our beef stir fried or Sako Cha Lok Lak. You can do this under 15 minutes. And let's say that you want to make it with the pork, or you want to stir fry chicken. You can do it the same way. You can get this pretty looking design by put any kind of meat, stir fried any kind of meat, and put it on top just like I do it. And that is it. I hope this video is easy enough for you to make this delicious beef stir fry for you and your family at home. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. And if you are new here, don't forget to press the subscribe button for more delicious homemade recipes. And don't forget to press the notification bell so you get notified for all my future videos. Okay, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye for now.